So, what's up with the new long-term residency visa? This visa is begins on now September 2022, and the biggest of benefits of this visa is first, you get 10 years visa that you can renew, and second is the tax exemption from overseas income. And so this is a great way to save on taxes. So, who can get this visa? There are four categories of people who can get this visa. First is a wealthy global citizens. So you must have 1 million US dollars in assets or invest 500,000 US dollars in the government bonds or personal properties. The second is for retirees. So if you want a 10 years visa and you need to have a personal income at least 80,000 US dollars per year for the past 2 years. And if you have less income, then you need to invest at least 250,000 US dollars in Thailand government bonds or personal properties. And this one might be pretty good for retirees. The third is for digital nomads. For digital nomads, you must at least have 80,000 US dollars per year for the past 2 years. However, this apply for the people who are working in the large company or the public company that has combined income for at least 150 million US dollars in the last 3 years, and you would have to work in that company for at least 5 years experience. So, digital nomad visa is really for employees who work in the large companies that allow their employees to work from anywhere. So, and fourth, the final options of the highly skilled professionals. For these people who intend to work in Thailand, either in government or private company, for all these categories, you need to have a medical insurance and you're able to add your spouse and two children in your long-term residency visa. Another thing is that you need to have the visa is actually for 5 years and you can renew it for the next 5 years. So you still meet the qualifications. Think of it as a check-in of your financial status. This visa better than the elite visa? As we learn more about this, we'll be able to let you know. But from what we've seen, that if you do not need to work in Thailand, then elite visa is the winner. However, if you do want to work in Thailand and be unrestricted in business, but land buy land and just have a smoother experience, then it may make sense to consider the long-term residencies in these categories. And we will have much more detailed videos about these long-term residency categories as we learn more about the practical realities of each one. So if you have any questions about long-term residency visa or at elite visa, please contact us at bondsmile.com or click on this link on the description below.